See, that bird's trying to commit suicide!
It's a very fucking good possibility. Might be bringing back a reptile.
That bird was just on the ground.
It's a fat bird. Hey, is it a bird or a turd?
Alright, get out of here with lameness.
I'm just joking. I like that
Finch.
bird. Finch?
Finch.
Finch?
We saved it out of the cat's
That
mouth
means I
this
doubt it's gonna
morning.
get any bigger than what it is. And if it actually eats and drinks water, if the squirrel is okay with him, I don't know.
No, the squirrel's not going to be okay. I'll go ahead and tell you.
Bird
Jaden, back up. Back
That
up.
parkour bird. Boy. Bro, look at the boy, but it's a girl.
And Angel, he's going around now. He's looking in the bushes. I'm talking about he's like down low and just he's scoping out every bush.
There must be baby finches in the bush.
No, what it is, he's looking for that one. Might have got away from you then, but they gonna get you back
I
out.
like how they move. It's bounce. The king is like breezes.
You're scaring him.
You sure you want to do this, little girl? I mean, we're dangerous.
Are they actually using like FaceTime?
No, it's called Duet.
Hey, Laura,
Uh-huh.
all them bitches that we don't like, you ain't got to worry about them for long. They all gonna be gone.
Who?
They're working the food outlet.
Oh, I know.
How you know?
Because they were talking about it at work.
And its leg looks like a
Closing
toothpick.
it down.
Yeah. Huh?
Like they're closing.
Yep.
Yeah, mouth.
He just jumped to shut on it.
Not only that, but the one in Miller County is closing down too.
Cindy's sister, or whatever, is over top of food outlet. She's over here helping get all the shit out. I said, haha, there goes Pam's job, all this.
Oh no. Chaos, what are you doing behind the table?
You know, I do believe this bird is happy in here.
Oh shit, I'm the word I know. The squirrel should get along with it.
Oh my God, he's drinking the water too. No, the squirrel will eat him, Johnny.
Alright, find out, man. Check this out.
I don't.
Well, we'll find out tonight.
The squirrel is a hater. He hates us. What if I buy an extra bird cage over there?
Jaden, hand me the remote.
Is that the one where the squirrel
You
is
talking about
at?
the hamster cage? But he won't be able to fly in the hamster cage. Johnny, he just went in the Fench house. Oh, he
Is the
went in the
squirrel
Fench
there?
house. No, the squirrel ain't gonna deal with that, buddy.
But really, if we're gonna keep him, then why the hell we go buy Jaden up that bird?
Jaden needs a parakeet. This is a finch. This is a wild animal. Yes, he can.
Dude, you can't hold them that often.
Yes, you can. You can hold them for as long as you want to if you treat them right. Them things will start talking to you and everything.
Just let it fly on your feet or let it fly on your shoulder. That's how you get them.
Johnny, I used to have a...
Look, I'm just gonna let y'all know something real quick. Like, I ain't hiding shit from y'all. I done told your mama. But anyhow...
Don't say nothing about that cat to Jaden to get him fucking
No, I ain't
crying.
trying to get him crying. I ain't
And
gonna
I'm
take...
recording, so hush.
I'm gonna be taking Maple to a better home. That
I'm
way.
taking Maple to Bainbridge to help her have her kittens, and they're going to take her and her kittens.
Yeah.
Well, at least she's going into a better place.
Yeah.
That's what I'm trying to say, because right now with them kittens... and they
Well,
getting
Johnny's
cold,
better place ain't for the damn
Terrible.
he ain't thinking for the.
All I gotta do is take it around to somebody's
Wait a
house
minute,
and
wait a
watch
minute.
cats.
You know,
No, you don't know that. He's
you know
going
the
to
cat with the
Bainbridge.
raccoon-looking tail? You know its owner? How about we just give Maple to that owner?
Them two cats didn't really belong together.
Yeah, and that cat was a boy, making a girl, and they still didn't get along.
Jaden, come here.
Why?
Now you're gonna watch these.
I ain't waiting for his mama to take her a fucking bang. I'll be waiting another year.
No, I'm gonna tell my mama what's up, and she'll go ahead and help me.
You can't do it.
Better than
Sorry.
she'll be talking to her and hopefully make it tomorrow or Monday.
Stop and watch.
Yeah, Susie is a rat. Dave's the number is as big as she is.
Oh my goodness.
The dance off.
And look, if you're talking about taking that shelter, you gotta tell them you found that cat.
Yeah, during the hurricane. That's exactly where we found her.